Hi guys, let us understand what is JSP scripting. What are the JSP scripting elements we are having here? So we are having basically three scripting elements. Okay, one is the declaration, second is the expression, right? So you can see this clearly here. In the beginning, I explained this. These are the three scripting elements we are having: declaration, expression, and scriptlets, right? Okay, so we'll see the details in this, how it differs, right? Declaration first. If I want to declare some kind of variable, class, methods, we can write in a declaration. So the declaration tag is like this: percent, exclamation, right? And then percent close. In between, you can declare anything. You can declare some variable, you can declare some class, you can declare some method, you can do all, right? Okay, so a declaration declares one or more variables or methods that you can use in Java code later in the JSP file. You must declare the variable and method before you use it in the JSP file. So if you're declaring something inside the scripting or a scriptlets, right, that you cannot reuse in the different methods. But if once you are declaring in here, it is like declaring the class. So you are eligible to access in different methods, right? So you can declare any number of variables or methods within one declaration element as long as the end, like I can say you end each declaration with a semicolon. You have to say like this. You can see this clearly, these examples, right? Okay. Now the sample code here. So we have tried to declare something here. Now you can see this is the HTML code, the complete HTML page, right? So we need not to worry what it is written here. Come to this place. So here we are trying to write one declaration tag here, right? So we are writing here private int access cont equal to 0. And then this is what? This is the expression tag. We are saying plus plus access cont. So 0, before displaying it will display 1. So 1 will be the output here. Access to page since server reboot 1. Okay. Now not only the variable you can declare a complete class. Let us say you are just saying percent exclamation and here you are saying percent close, and then you can write here say class student, declare it, some methods you can declare, some variable you can declare, you can do all. So that will be inner class of your sublet, right? Okay. Now next is the expression. Let us say you want to print something on the screen. What you will do, you have to use this percent equal to expression. Okay, if I'm saying percent equal to map size, so whatever the map having value, it will display the size. Percent equal to number guess dot get hint, something like that. Let us say I have a integer variable int I equal to 10 and I want to display this 10. There's a two way, you can write like this also, odd dot print line, and you can say here I, so it will display. Instead of writing this as a, this is a scriptlet, instead of writing, you want to use tag for this purpose, so you can write here percent equal to I, percent close. So this is a tag which we can use to print the value of I. It is just like for output. You are using system on repeat line for console, right? Same it is for the web page. Okay. Now I can see some more samples here for the expression. What we are trying here, we are writing on HTML page and then we are writing some expression. We are saying new Java util date. So I will get current date here. Request.get remote host. What is the remote host machine? Okay. Session.get ID. What is the ID generated for this session? Right. All we can do that. Request.get parameter test param. So test param, if it is having some value, it will display it here. Okay. This is what expression we are having. Now next is the skiplet. So this is the skiplet here. You can see here now. So you can write any Java code in between this tag. So %open, %close. In between, you can write whole Java code. Okay. So you can look at here, %open, %close. In between, I'm writing a string name equal to null, right? If request.get parameter name equal to null, something we're writing, the whole things. If then what we are doing, we are closing here a skiplet. Inside the skiplet, you should not write any tag. If you're writing, you should write in order print line. Okay. So we are saying include file. So if this name is equal to null, then include this page and display it. Again, we are opening the skiplet and then we are saying else. If it is not null, if some name is there, then get the name and foo.set name, and we are doing some other job here, right? So foo.get name dot equals ignore case, right? And then we said name equal to this. If name dot equals this, just we are doing some stuff here, right? You want to see more here, just check it out. So you can write whole code in between the skiplet. So you can see this again, the Java code here, right? This is the Java code which we are writing in the skiplet, right? So skiplet can contain any number of language, statement, variable, method, declaration or expression that are valid in the page scripting language, right? And then just check it out more. Within a skiplet, you can do any of the following. What you can do: declare variables or methods to use later in the file, write expression valid in the page scripting language, use any of the implicit objects of any object declared within with a JSP use bin elements, write any other statement valid in the scripting language used in the JSP page, right? Any text, HTML tag or JSP elements you write must be outside the skiplet. So you should not write any JSP elements or tag or HTML tag inside the skiplet. If you're writing, it should be inside the out.println line. So skiplets are executed at request time when the JSP container processes the client request. If the skiplet produce output, the output is stored in the out object, right? Now we'll see some more samples here for the skiplets. Okay. Now you can see the sample here. We are writing, we are opening this skiplet here, closing here. In between, we are writing whole Java code. We are saying a string basic color equal to request.get parameter basic color, and we are doing some job here, right? Boolean has explicit color. If basic color not equal to null, has explicit color equal to true, else has explicit color equal to false, basic color white. All these things we are doing. Okay. And then we are saying body basic color. So we are deciding the busy color, okay, and then we are saying busy color equal to that. So it could be the white or the color which we have used earlier, right? So we are setting the value for busy color. It's a dynamic here, right? Again, we are doing some other job here, that if has explicit color, then order print line you supplied an explicit background color of busy color, else this message will come, right? We are writing order print line. In between here, you can write some HTML tag here, okay? So comments, you can put comments in the JSP page as well. Comments come in three flavor in JSP. So there's a JSP comments, uh, or XHTML comments, a scripting language comments. So there are number of type of comments we are having. So you can see this is my HTML comment, this is my JSP comment, okay? And you are also having like this single line and multi-line comments. Inside the scripting skiplet, let us say you're writing some skiplet, two lines you want to make it, or multiple lines you want to make it as a what comment, you can do that one, okay? JSP comments and scripting language comments are ignored and do not appear in the response to a client, okay? When clients view the source code of JSP resources, they will see only the XHTML comments in the source code. So when we are writing some code in the JSP code, or inside the JSP scripting elements, that comment will not come into the browser, okay? The only the HTML comment will display in the browser, okay? So if you're writing some business logic, and for that business logic, if you're writing some kind of comments, it will not come into the browser, okay? So that's all about the JSP scripting, okay? Next we have to see that action tags, okay?